Good morning, Virgo. How you doing this morning? Hit that like, subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Let's see what Source has in stores for Virgo. What Source has in stores for Virgo? What Source has in stores for Virgo? There's nothing wrong with having a tree as a friend. Be in tune with nature. Talk to the tree, pray to the tree when nobody's not looking. So basically it's saying just being outside, being in tune with nature, get you some fresh air. And success with painting leads to success with many things. It's carried over into every part of your life. So be in tune with nature. Keep being consistent. Keep being disciplined, and you'll go far. Hard work pays off. Remember that. So that's all I got for you, Virgo. And I just hope you take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Peace.